Reasons why you ran don't make you a good man. Yes, I understand. You were on time at the wrong time. I was debating but tried, and I don't know why you can act cold on a dime and so out of line. For you, I'd do anything for you. Nail my heart to the ceiling, put my fist through a wall. How come I stick around when I break down? I take the blows like a champion, but I get nothing at all. Reasons for my hope all make me a big joke. I already know. You were just fine, I was just fine. Why did we turn a good time to a dark one? I give you a chance, but the better man never comes.